As you can see, we have some snow. And our Tinka in her little sweater in the snow. Gonna run? Let's go this way. Don't go in the road. Run! Run, Tinka! Run! Run! Come on! Let's run! Run! Yeah! Come on, right now. Run, little girl, run! Run! No, this way. Good girl. Good girl. That's where the car was parked. All nice and big.